Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, my lips are dry. This is gonna be a quick video. I say this every time and then it ends up being a 15-20 minute long video. So let's get into this. Today we're gonna be unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing the October Boxycharm box. Yes, this is it. My address is on it. So let's just get right into this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open, let's see. We're gonna open out the box, see what we have, and then we're going to go into, so we're gonna open out the box and see what we have, and while I use the stuff on my face, that's when I'm gonna explain to you what it is and its benefits, and then I'm gonna give you my feedback while I'm actually using it on my face. So as always, we open and we get this card, and the theme for this month is After Dark. So this is what it's telling you at the back. Here is a lot of information on the new and improved Boxy Premium, Boxy 2.0. Yeah, so I'm not gonna go through this because it's everywhere. So the first thing we have in the box is this iconic London spray. It is a prep, set and glow spray. So that's what this looks like. As I said, we're gonna go through what we have quickly and see what we have to do. The next thing we have is this eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors, and this is the Sassy Sienna palette. We're gonna get into this just now. The next, why does this wait, my box, is it missing? Something is missing from my box. Oh my gosh, I only got 4 items in my box. Let's see what's missing. I got the, wait. So the next thing we have is this. What is this? This is an tinted brow gel from Mellow. You're gonna see this just now. And then the other thing we have is this iconic London lip plumping gloss. So these are the 4 things that I have, and when I just checked here, the next thing I was supposed to have is the Velvet Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner from Hollywood and Vine. So I didn't get that in my box. I'm actually hurt. Actually, let me make sure that it didn't fall somewhere. Okay, it's nowhere to be seen. Interesting. I guess I will just have to contact Boxycharm. So let me, since this is the prep set, I'm gonna use this first, and then I'm gonna do the base of my face, and we're gonna be back. So let me just see what this, okay, is this, do you pull? I'm horrible at containers. Okay, good. So let's spray and see. Okay, it has a lot of shimmer, if you guys can see that. Yeah, I sprayed a lot, but it has a lot of shimmer. So let me just spray this on my face because it says prep, set and glow. Really, I don't know, I don't like this spray. I do not like how this sprays, but let me see what my face looks like. Okay, very sparkly. So let me just do the rest of my face, and we'll be back to use the eyeshadow, the eyebrow stuff, and the lips. Okay, so I'm back, and the next thing we're gonna use is this eyeshadow palette by Dose of Colors, the Sassy Sienna's palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It comes with a brush. It's very autumn. It's very autumn, very fall, very nice. So I'm just gonna do a quick look with this eyeshadow with this palette, and I am going to tell you guys what it says. I'm gonna use this brush that it comes with. So it's a double-sided brush. There's a fluffy side and then a smaller, more detailed side. And while I do this look, I'm going to read to you what it says, what they say about this palette. has a lot of fallout. So it says that Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, the 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. And the retail value for this is $32. Actually, this palette is, so personally, this is just meh for me, very meh. It's not as pigmented as it looks in the pan on my skin tone, but I've seen a lot of videos with lighter complexioned women trying this out, and there was a lot of pigment, but on my skin tone there's not much. And then there's a lot of fallout in the pan. It's very soft and buttery, and then for $32, that's a lot of product being wasted. Anyways, so it was alright, but it's very meh. So let's just go into the next product. So the next thing we're going to use is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, and this is in the shade dark brown. Oh, so achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil, so it doesn't feel stiff. That's good. So this is actually true. This is lightweight and it's not sticky, it's not stiff. My eyebrows don't feel like they're drying, like stiff drying down. So like, I like this. Also, before we go on to the last product, let's just set my face again with this Prep Set and Glow by Iconic London. Oh, I really don't like this spray. Whatever, I don't really like this spray. So, oh, and this has a whole lot of glitter, like a whole lot. Just take a look at my hand after I sprayed it at first. If you don't like glitter, don't use this because there's glitter all over my face. If you look under my eyes, you can see a bit of the glitter. I really hope you guys can see this. Like, ignore my skin, ignore it. Do you hear me? Ignore it. Okay then, it's my time of the month and that's why my face has just attacked me. So last but certainly not least, we will be using the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is a plumping gloss. So let's see if this will actually, my lips are big already, so let's see. And this is in the shade Sex Kitten. So it's, let me do a swatch. It's like a deep plum. I hope I'm getting better with my colors, but it's a deep plum shade. Perfect for fall. Iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. So it feels like I have, you know what this feels like? It feels like it's peppermint. Well, no, it's not actually peppermint, but it feels like this lip gloss from Pixie, the Sheer Rose, which is, it kind of feels like peppermint on your lips. And I love this, and as you can see, it's finished. This was a sample that I got from Ipsy, and it's finished, and I'm very disappointed because I love this lip gloss. It's tingling. It's tingling. It's not like anything extreme, but it's tingling. I can feel it on my lips. So let's just see if it plumps my lip by the end of this video, which is like in the next 10 seconds. But the color is gorgeous. The color is beautiful. Does it go with this eye look? I don't know. My face is shiny. That's nothing new here. So let me just tally up how much everything comes up to, and we're gonna see. Well, the 4 things that I got, because I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed that I did not get my 5th item. Hi guys, so while editing this video, I realized that my outro is missing. It's gone. I don't know where it went. So just enjoy looking at this awkward picture of myself while I give you my final thoughts. So personally, I think this October Boxycharm box was just a meh. It wasn't much. It's not anything to talk about, nothing to get excited about. I was really disappointed. The total of my box came up to $103, and that's with the 4 products that I received. With my 5th product, it would have just taken it up to $110. So that's a pretty low value compared to all the other previous boxes for this year. So that's all I'm gonna say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. And have why can't I never speak? Have a faithfully blessed day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.